Welcome to the Mqlrobot EAS channel. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Grid Scalping EA, a Forex trading robot built with FXdreema, the no-code EA builder. This expert advisor is designed to combine scalping strategies with a multi-level grid system. The main goal is to capture small price movements while applying a grid of orders that adapts dynamically to market fluctuations. Unlike simple scalping robots, the Grid Scalping EA manages trades across multiple layers, creating opportunities for both recovery and profit optimization. Here's how the core logic works. The EA can open an initial trade when no positions are active. It places follow-up buy or sell orders at calculated distances based on the grid settings. Each new order can be placed at an expanded grid distance, helping the system adjust to market volatility. The EA monitors open trades, checks profit conditions, and closes them when the defined target is reached. Key customizable parameters include lot size, grid distance in pips, close money target. This combination of scalping entries with grid layering makes the EA suitable for ranging or volatile market conditions. However, as with all automated trading systems, results can vary depending on market behavior. Before using this EA on a live account, it's important to fully understand the trading strategy, potential risks, and always backtest with 99.9% tick data to validate performance. This video is part of the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code, FXdreema. Stay tuned with Mqlrobot EAS for more tutorials, expert advisor builds, and strategy breakdowns.